Welcome to this online tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to insert blocks in a table. Create 3 blocks as shown here, or whichever the block that you want to insert in a table. And remember, you can insert these blocks in a table and fit inside the table cells. But you cannot insert annotative blocks in a table. So how do you go about it? Once you've created these blocks that you want to insert, click on Annotate. On the Tables panel, select the table and do the specifications as I've done there, and click OK. Once you click OK, you will be asked to specify the insertion point. So you can click anywhere on the drawing area. Now the cursor, the editor, text editor starts to blink. So you can click outside the table. So if I click again once inside the table, I will have the cell highlighted. So clicking on this point, dragging it to the left, the table will increase in size. Now if I drag it to the right, to the left, sorry, the table decreases. The other one, this is the right, the table, the cell size increases or becomes quite enlarges. Then if you click at this point, move it down, you are increasing the size of the current cell. If you take it up, you are reducing the size. If you want to add a row, just click here, add, insert below or insert above. So if you want to delete, just click on delete. If you want to add a column, the same, you can click there, add, insert. Let's say insert column. So let's start by writing the heading by double clicking here and write. So our heading is electronic symbol or electrical symbol. Now you click outside the table and you find the words here as too small to be seen. Just double click inside the cell, highlight the word and change the scale here. You can write scale that is fit, but remember it should not be annotative. Annotative scale you can't edit. So you can write 5. Now you can change also still you can change the color. You can do the modifications here, the color, also the font. You can adjust on the font. So once you're done, you click outside. Now how do you insert the block? So this here you can say this is the symbol, press tab and then the name. So how do you insert the block? So left click inside this box, the cell, and then right click, check on insert, then we want to insert the block. Now the blocks, you can find the blocks here. We've created the 3 blocks. So you can select the first one, INT, ensure you've checked on auto fit. This one is top left, then click OK. So you can double click there, right? INT. Now the second block, right click again, you do the same for all the blocks. So lamp, double click here, right, lamp. So insert block, signal, press OK, double click here, write signal, and then you close the text editor. Now with that one, you will have achieved the objective of having the blocks in a table, and also you have given them the names. Thank you.